Hello friends, my name is Shanmuka Priya. Today I got up like Jawaharlal Nehru and today I am going to give a speech on Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was born in Allahabad on 14 November 1889. He received his early education at home under private tutors. At the age of 15, he went to England. After 2 years, he joined Cambridge University where he took his natural sciences. He was later called to the bar from Inner Temple. Nehru was the principal leader of Indian nationalist movement in the 1930s and 1940 upon India's independence. He served our country as the first Prime Minister for 16 years. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Sriharsha. Today I am going to speak a few lines on our revolutionary leader Shahid Bhagat Singh. He was born on 28 September 1907 at Banga village, Punjab. He founded Naujawan Bharat Sabha in 1926 to get rid of British rule in India. We Indians will pay tribute to him for generation to come. Inquilab Zindabad, Jai Hind. Thank you everyone.
My name is Karthika. I am studying in 4th class in Basham School. First of all, I wish all of you a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on birth anniversary of Gandhi Ji. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was a great freedom fighter. His main principles were truth and non-violence. We lovingly call him as Bapu and honor him by calling as Father of Nation and Mahatma. He gave the slogan "Do or Die" to push the British rule out of India. At last, due to his efforts, India got independence from the British. Gandhiji's tale lives in the hearts of millions of Indians. Thank you.
1869 in Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi is known as a father of a nation. In the year 1915, Mahatma Gandhi ji returned from South Africa to serve our country. Mahatma Gandhi found Satyagraha Ashram in Gujarat. Gandhi was a great leader and social reformer. Non-violence and Satyagraha was the main principle of Gandhi. The slogan of Mahatma Gandhi was "Quit India, do or die." Thank you one and all.
I am Arshita. I am from 7th B. Today I am telling about Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai is the great warrior of India. Rani Lakshmibai is also known as Jhansi Lakshmibai. She is born on 19th November 1828 at Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Her father name was Murapan Thambe. Her mother name was Bhagarati Sape. At the birth, she was named as Mani Kartika and nicknamed as Manu. She married Raja Gangadhar Rao, the king of Jhansi. While fighting near Gwalior, she injured badly. Rani Lakshmibai fought bravely and saved Jhansi.
Hello everyone, I am Varshit Akshay. I am here to tell some words about Subhash Chandra Bose. He was one of the great leaders of India. He was famous by the name of Netaji. He was born on 23rd January 1897. He fought for the India. The Azad Hind Force was formed by him. He coined the term of Jai Hind. The Azad Hind Force was formed by him. He coined the term of Jai Hind. He died in a plane crash on 18th August 1945. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Sitisha. I am studying in 5th class. I am telling few lines about Subhash Chandra Bose ji. Subhash Chandra Bose ji was a great son of Mother India. He is known as Netaji. He was born on 23rd January 1897 at Kathak in Odisha. His father's name is Janaki Nath Bose and his mother's name is Prabhavati Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose ji wanted to free India from British rule, so he joined freedom struggle. He gave the famous quote, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom." Subhash Chandra Bose formed the Indian National Army, was also known as Azad Hind Fauj. He became the president of the Indian National Congress in 1938 and 1939. Thank you.